Hey, what's up guys, Fazman here. In this video I am going to share a really good news. Lottex Ltd arranged a really cool lottery. You can win 3 Apple AirPods, 3 Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max, 3 Apple MacBooks and 2 Tesla electric cars. I have already made the video on Lottex.ltd. By watching that video you can learn how to open an account on Lottex and how you can earn money on this platform. So all you need to do, make a deposit according to the investment plan you want to participate in. They have 4 investment plans. Second, you need to send email to Lottex email. So please pay attention that you need to indicate your account login, deposit amount, your name and surname and phone number. After that, you will receive a confirmation email from Lottex where you will have your participant number and the tariff plan in which you participate in. The lottery ticket is the minimum amount of the investment plan. Let's make an example. The first investment plan starts from $10, so your ticket costs $10. And that's gonna be with any other investment plan starting from it. So as a result, your deposit can be divided into 3 or even 5 or 10 parts. And for you to make it easier, it's going to be divided automatically. You can buy an unlimited amount of tickets. And also what I want you to tell you that the lottery gonna be online and available for everyone to watch and participate in. Each investment plan has its own price. The first investment plan has 3 Apple AirPods. The second investment plan has 3 iPhone 12 Pro Max. The third investment plan has Apple MacBooks, while the last one has 2 Tesla cars. The lottery will be held online in a month and divided into 4 days. Every day the prize will be awarded. The first day of the lottery gonna be according to the first investment plan. So wish you all good luck. The link is available in the video description, so must check it out. So that's it for this video. Give this video a like and comment on below if you have any question. Subscribe to our channel for more amazing videos. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.